So this week we're going to talk about the Taoist Point Lighthouse, and we thought it'd be fun to read you a book about lighthouses. So we're going to read How Did They Build That Lighthouse? Finding your way home. Imagine being lost at sea. The only thing you can see is water on every side of your boat. You ride the waves up and down. Water splashes over the edge of the boat. You are cold and wet. You are scared. Which way is land?
Wait, what was that shining in the dark night? Was it a bright light? You watch carefully. The light comes around again. It's a lighthouse. You sigh with relief. Now you know how to find land. The lighthouse will guide you to safety.
Lighthouses have saved many lives since they were invented. They help guide sailors to land. They also help warn ships of rocks and other dangers. For centuries, lighthouses worked like the traffic lights of the sea. They told people out on the water where to go and where not to go.
Night lights. All lighthouses have a bright light called a beacon at the top. The beacon rotates and shines through big windows. Lighthouses have rooms for storing supplies and tools. Each lighthouse also has a watch room. That is where a lighthouse keeper used to sit at night. Tall spiral staircases inside lighthouses let people climb to the top.
Early lighthouses were made out of whatever people could find in the area. Some lighthouses were made of stone and brick. Others were built with wood or iron. Newer lighthouses are built with concrete and steel. These materials are inexpensive and easy to find. They can also be formed into interesting shapes.
All shapes and sizes. There are many different kinds of lighthouses. Some are round and very tall. Others are octagonal. This means they have 8 flat sides. Lighthouses on cliffs or mountains are usually short and wide. That is because they are already high up.
Many older lighthouses are attached to small houses. These houses are where the lighthouse keepers lived. Lighthouse keepers were in charge of making sure that beacons kept shining. Today, lighthouses no longer need keepers. Instead, they are empty and automated. Computers help keep beacons shining.
The speed and pattern of a lighthouse's rotating lights are called its character. Lighthouses from different places have different characters. Sailors have books explaining how to recognize these characters. This helps them figure out where they are when they see a lighthouse.
Today's lighthouses. Today, big ships often use computers instead of lighthouses. Computers can tell a ship's crew what its location is. They can also detect dangers. Lighthouses are historic sites for touring. People visit them and remember how these bright lights saved many lives.